Step into the realm of tomorrow, where the boundaries of innovation are constantly being pushed and the future is unfolding before our very eyes. From revolutionary advancements in technology to groundbreaking solutions to age-old challenges, the landscape of emerging technologies is as vast as it is awe-inspiring. Join us on this journey as we delve into the forefront of innovation and explore the cutting-edge tech innovations transforming industries. Number 1. Invisible computing. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, envision a future where technology seamlessly integrates into the fabric of our daily lives, blending into the background like never before. This ambitious vision is at the core of companies like Mogo Vision, trailblazers in the realm of invisible computing. Through their innovative prototypes, such as augmented reality contact lenses, they are reshaping the very essence of human-technology interaction, ushering us into an era where the digital and physical worlds converge effortlessly. As we embark on this journey towards a truly connected world, Mogo Vision stands at the forefront, driving forward the boundaries of possibility and redefining the way we perceive and engage with technology. Number 2. Next-gen satellite launching. Spin Launch is at the forefront of revolutionizing space exploration, introducing a paradigm shift in how satellites are launched into orbit. Their innovative approach harnesses the formidable power of centrifugal force to propel payloads into space at unprecedented speeds, marking a significant leap forward in accessibility and sustainability within the aerospace industry. With this groundbreaking technology, Spin Launch not only opens doors to new frontiers in space exploration, but also paves the way for a more environmentally conscious approach to reaching the stars. Number 3. GPS-3 Enhanced Global Positioning System. With the advent of GPS-3, being lost will soon become a thing of the past. This next generation of the global positioning system is set to transform navigation as we know it. With enhanced accuracy, reliability, and advanced security features, GPS-3 is poised to revolutionize various sectors from transportation to emergency response. Its unparalleled precision ensures that you'll never wander off course again, providing guidance with pinpoint accuracy every step of the way. Number 4. Smart Floating Farms. Step into the era of smart floating farms, where the boundaries of traditional agriculture are redefined and sustainability takes center stage. These innovative platforms harness the vast potential of our oceans, utilizing renewable energy sources to cultivate crops and raise livestock in perfect harmony with the marine environment. By optimizing resource usage and minimizing environmental impact, smart floating farms not only ensure food security, but also pave the way for a more resilient future. Number 5. Edge computing. In a fast-paced world where every moment counts, the emergence of edge computing marks a paradigm shift in data processing and analysis. By decentralizing computation and bringing it closer to the source of data generation, edge computing enables lightning-fast decision-making and significantly reduces latency. This revolutionary approach not only ensures real-time responsiveness, but also lays the foundation for a new era of connectivity, where applications operate seamlessly and intelligently. Number 6. Self-healing concrete. Bid farewell to the woes of cracks and deterioration, for the dawn of self-healing concrete has arrived, heralding a new era in construction. Through the ingenious incorporation of innovative additives, engineers have unveiled the secret to concrete that possesses the remarkable ability to mend itself. This groundbreaking material not only promises to extend the lifespan of infrastructure, but also offers a sustainable solution to reducing maintenance costs. Number 7. Hydrogen fuel cells. Behold the dawn of clean energy with hydrogen fuel cells, presenting a versatile and emission-free alternative to traditional fossil fuels. With continuous advancements in production and storage technology, hydrogen fuel cells are on the brink of transforming the energy landscape, poised to spearhead the transition towards a more sustainable future for all. As the world seeks greener alternatives to mitigate climate change, hydrogen fuel cells stand ready to revolutionize the way we power our lives. Number 8. Man-made stars. Venture into the realm of scientific exploration, where researchers are delving into the potential of generating artificial stars through nuclear fusion, heralding a virtually boundless wellspring of clean and sustainable energy. Though existing primarily within the realm of theoretical research, the concept of man-made stars tantalizes with the prospect of revolutionizing not only our energy production methods, but also our cosmic understanding and role in the universe. Number 9. GPT-5 Language Model. Introducing GPT-5, a groundbreaking language model that is reshaping the landscape of human technology interaction. With its extraordinary capacity to comprehend and produce text that closely resembles human language, GPT-5 stands as a formidable tool for a myriad of tasks, from crafting compelling narratives to breaking down language barriers through seamless translation. Number 10. Connected Home. Step into the era of the connected home, where the synergy of smart devices converges to redefine modern living. Imagine a space where your home seamlessly adapts to your needs, anticipating your every move and preference. Through interconnected devices communicating via the internet, mundane tasks are effortlessly automated, from adjusting the thermostat to optimizing energy consumption based on your schedule. Enhanced security features provide peace of mind, with real-time monitoring and alerts keeping you informed and protected. Number 11. Lithium-Metal Batteries. Lithium-metal batteries herald a transformative shift in battery technology, boasting unparalleled energy density and rapid charging capabilities. By replacing the conventional graphite anode with pure lithium metal, these batteries unlock the potential for smaller, lighter, and more powerful energy storage solutions. From smartphones to electric vehicles, the applications are vast, promising longer-lasting devices and extended operating times. Furthermore, in the realm of renewable energy, lithium metal batteries hold the promise of more efficient and scalable energy storage systems, enabling greater integration of solar and wind power into the grid. Number 12. 3D printing. 3D printing isn't just a tool, it's a revolution, empowering creators to bring their digital designs to life effortlessly. Imagine transforming a concept on your computer screen into a tangible object with the simple push of a button. From intricate prototypes to personalized prosthetics, the possibilities are endless. As materials evolve and printing techniques advance, 3D printing is transcending boundaries, reshaping industries and democratizing manufacturing like never before. Number 13. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries by streamlining processes, reducing fraud, and increasing trust in digital transactions. Whether you're sending money across the globe or tracking the journey of a product from factory to shelf, blockchain is changing the way we think about trust and transparency in the digital age. As we conclude this journey through the realm of emerging technologies, we invite you to join us in exploring the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Don't miss out on any future updates and discoveries. Subscribe now to stay notified.